Hi there, this is Xavi from Spotahome, Barcelona. Today we are in the top of neighborhood Gracia. Okay, it is just really close to Park Guell and it's very well connected to downtown. You have the metro station just 5 minutes walking, Alphonse Deu. And here we have an apartment of 3 bedrooms. Okay, the first one with 2 single beds, the second one with 1 single bed, and the other one with a double bed. Okay, so it's perfect to share. Okay, for students or for workers. Okay, and here is a 4th floor. Okay, and it's the 4th door also. Okay, so this is the entrance. Okay, here we have the entrance, a window to internal patio. Okay, here we have some shelves, a mirror. Okay, here we have the first bedroom. Okay, with 2 single beds. Here we have the first one and second one. Okay, with the light here and the window to the same patio. And this bedroom has the laundry room also. Okay, and here we have strings, right, and also here more strings, and the washing machine. Okay, the gas heater for the water. Okay, the iron board, and this is the window of the kitchen. Okay, so this is bedroom 1. Okay, for 2 people. Well, all the apartment needs air conditioner and heater. Okay, so central. Here also we have it. Okay, here we have the second corridor. Here on the right you have the bathroom. Okay, here we have toilet, window. Okay, here we have sink. Okay, and here the shower. Okay. Okay, so let's see the living room. Here we have it. It's really big, bright. Here you have a park just in front of the apartment. Big table, okay, 6 chairs. Here a bed sofa, another seat, place for the TV. Okay, you also have a DVD, okay, and some films. Wi-Fi, okay, activated. Pictures, and here we have, okay, this is Ronda Guinardó. Okay, so we are looking to the mountain. Okay, we have the beach on the other side. Okay, well, okay, let's see the kitchen. Here we have it. Okay, here on the left we have the kitchen by gas. Okay, the oven, extractor. Where else? Yeah, the coffee machine, espresso, toaster, some shelves for the dishes. Okay, dishwasher. Okay, whoop. Okay, here you have sink, microwave, and here, let's see, the fridge and the freezer. Okay. Here some drawers with all the cutlery. Whoops, some knives. Okay. What else here? Place for the bin. What else? What we have here? Okay, glasses. For the coffee. Okay, and here we will get more things. Okay, and also here. Okay. Open it like this. Okay, here you have all kitchen stuff. Okay. Whoop. Okay. Well, this is, as I told you, here you have the laundry room. Okay. Okay, let's see. Well, here we have the air conditioner and the heater central. Okay, change it. Okay. Nice. And here we have the last corridor with the 2 bedrooms. Okay, here we have the second one with single bed, and we have another one here. Okay, just okay, just here we have the other one Maybe you can take out this, let's say, a small table with the light, and you have 2 single beds. Okay. Well, here you have the window, same views as the living room. Okay. And here you have closet. Okay. Some cushions, 3 drawers here. Okay. And blankets over there. Okay. Okay. Let's see the last bedroom. Here you have it. Okay, with double bed. Okay, 2 lights, just drawers. Okay, here we have 2 closets. First one. Okay, some cushions, blankets, and 2 drawers here. Okay. And that's exactly the same. Okay. And here also window to the park. Okay. And well, that's it. This is the apartment in Gracia, and I hope you like it. And well, thanks for watching. Bye.